How to order from ASOS. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can order using ASOS app, place our order. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. In order to order from ASOS, you can follow up this method. Head over and open up the application, and once you are logged in, you'll be finding this interface with different products available. So in order to purchase the order, you can just go ahead and select up the product. You can just locate up the product that you want to purchase. For example, let's say I want to purchase this jeans. So once you find the product that you want to place order for, you can go ahead and place an order. You can go ahead and add it to bag. You can find this option, this one right here. Tap on add to bag, and you can also add up a size. After that is done, tap on this bag icon that appears on your screen. Just go ahead and tap on it. And the next thing you need to do is just check out. And under here, if you have not added your delivery address, you can just go ahead and add it up. And if you have any promo codes available, you can add it right here. After that, you need to add up a payment option and click on this buy now option. And once that is done, your order will be placed on ASOS. So that is how you order to ASOS by following up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.